Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple bow using wired ribbon. So I'm going to start with a 10-inch tail and I'm going to pinch it right there. And then I'll measure it. I'm turning it upside down. And I'm going to measure out about 6.5 inches and pinch it right there. Okay, so then you flip it around, twist it halfway, almost like an inside out. Now I'm going to add a different ribbon, but if you wanted to continue with the same to make more loops, you could just continue following that step, but that's the basic step. Taking my next ribbon, layering it on top, pinch it right in the center, twist it halfway. This time I'm going to do like a 6-inch loop, like a little bit smaller than the last loop. So we got that, and then twist it halfway. Turning it inside out, pinch it. It's really easy. It's really a lot easier than people think it is. So we got those two. I'm going to take my last 1.5-inch ribbon, lay it on top, pinch it, twist it halfway. I'm going to do about 5.5-inch loops on this one. So right there. Half twist, pinch it. You notice though I got my finger here and I'm keeping the ribbon stacked on top of each other. I'm not letting them like fall over to the side or anything. That was too big, sorry, that was my center. Your center loop, this is like a little half loop. Then you take a zip tie and you want to keep the ribbon sitting on top of each other or itself or whatever. Hold on, this is so hard. And then you don't want to tighten the zip tie all the way until you are done fluffing out your bow, but if you're happy with the way it looks, this really only applies with like bigger bows with more loops. This is pretty simple. And you just fluff it out the way you want it. Pull your tails down. We're going to cut them after you want your ribbon stacked all tight in the center, and then pull the zip tie. Cut your ribbon tails, fluff tail. And that's it. You have yourself a cute little fall bow that you can put on a lantern, anything you want. Just dress something up, some decor you already have, and just pull your loops apart, stick your hand in there like this. I'm using this on a garland, so I'm going to go put it on there. That's it.